Want to unlock the secret to tender, flavorful chicken with an ancient cooking method? Welcome to Food Diaries. Today, we're taking a delicious journey into the art of salt-steamed chicken, featuring the rich taste of native, free-range chicken. Stick around for tips, tricks, and the step-by-step process to make this traditional, oil-free, water-free dish that's bursting with natural flavor. Salt-steamed chicken. Steps to cook chicken. Prepare the chicken, use native or free-range. For richer flavor. Clean and pat dry the chicken thoroughly. You can season the chicken with herbs, spices, and aromatics, like lemongrass, onion, spring onion, black pepper, green chili pepper, monosodium glutamate, MSG, and put a little salt inside, if desired. Keep in mind the salt crust will also season the chicken. Prepare the salt base, use coarse sea salt or rock salt for this method. Spread a thick layer of salt, about 1 to 2 inches, on the bottom of a wok, pot, or large pan. Cook the chicken, place the chicken on the salt base. Cover the pot or pan with a tight-fitting lid. Cook over medium heat. The salt retains heat and creates an oven-like environment, steaming the chicken gently. Check for doneness. Cooking time varies depending on the size of the chicken, but usually takes about 40 minutes. Check with a meat thermometer. The internal temperature should reach 165 degrees Fahrenheit 74 degrees Celsius at the thickest part. Serve. Carefully remove the chicken from the salt crust. Brush off any excess salt and serve. Thanks for joining me on this flavorful journey. If you love this recipe, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and hit that subscribe button for more delicious find ideas. See you next time for another mouth-watering dish.